Here are 5 things you didn't know about Julius Caesar's assassination that turned Rome's first theater into a slaughterhouse. First, Caesar was murdered inside Pompey's theater because the Senate's usual meeting place was under construction. The irony was brutal. Caesar died in a building dedicated to his greatest rival. Second, he ignored every warning that morning, including a soothsayer who screamed, "Beware the Ides of March," as he walked past. His wife even begged him to stay home after dreaming of his death. Third, when Caesar saw Brutus among the assassins, he spoke his final words in Greek, "You too, my child." The betrayal by his adopted son broke him completely. Fourth, 23 senators stabbed him at the base of Pompey's marble statue. Caesar's blood pooled around the feet of his dead enemy, as if Pompey was finally getting his revenge. Fifth, his body lay abandoned for hours while Rome erupted into chaos. The theater that once hosted entertainment became the graveyard of the Roman Republic itself.